Assalamualaikum my dear students. So welcome back to my video of class 3 subject computer. In our previous videos we have done chapter number 5 working with paint. So now we will start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, the keyboard. Students, you all must have seen the keyboard, right? A keyboard is the most important part of the computer. It is the input device. Why? Because we can type using the keyboard. It consists of a number of different sets of keys that help us to enter information into the computer. You can see the keys on the keyboard. Okay, so we can type using these keys. A standard computer keyboard has 104 keys. कंप्यूटर के कीबोर्ड पर कितनी कीज होती है? 104. So we can type numbers, words and characters by pressing these keys. हम numbers टाइप कर सकते हैं, words टाइप कर सकते हैं, ओके, characters टाइप कर सकते हैं, ये सारी कीज को प्रेस करके. The first 6 characters of the first row of the alphabet keys are Q, W, E, R, T, Y. Okay, see this first row of the alphabet keys. The letters are QWERTY. Therefore, this keyboard is known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay. Now we will study the functions of these different keys. The first is alphabet keys. Students, look at the keys given here. Okay, these are alphabet keys. You can type alphabets using these keys. There are 26 alphabet keys from A to Z, but they are not in alphabetical order. Students, you must have seen that the keys on the keyboard are not in alphabetical order. Okay, so they are placed in such a manner that we can work fast. Okay. You must have noted that the keys on the keyboard are not in alphabetical order. Okay, वो alphabetical order में नहीं होती, but they are placed in such a manner so that you can work fast. Okay, हम type fast कर सके, वो उस manner में place की गई है. These keys are used to type words, sentences or paragraph. Now number keys. The number keys are used for typing numbers. Okay students, so number keys का use हम numbers type करने के लिए कर सकते हैं. The number keys are present above the top row of the alphabet keys. The number keys are also present on the right side of the keyboard. Okay, so you can see here that the number keys are present 2 times on the keyboard. The number keys start from 1 to 0. That means they are 10 in numbers. From 0 to 9. The number keys present on right side of the keyboard are collectively called as numeric keypad. You can see in this figure it is known as numeric keypad. In this way you can type as many numbers using number keys. Now we will learn about some special keys. Our first key is space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. Okay? Space bar key होती है वो keyboard पे सबसे longest key होती है and it is used to give blank spaces between the letters or numbers. स्पेस बार की का हम यूज़ क्यों करते हैं? अगर हमको कहीं पे स्पेस देनी हो तो हम स्पेस बार की का यूज़ करते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू राइट इन योर बुक you give space between two words. So in the same way, when you are typing on the computer, so you can give space between the words using this space bar key. Look here students, if I want to write Matliwala Public School, so how I will write? First of all, I will write Matliwala. Okay, so we will write Matliwala and then we will press the space bar key. So can you see here? The space is added here. Now we will write public, and then again we will press the space bar key, and then we will write school. Okay, so in this way you can add the spaces using the space bar key. Now next is the caps lock key. Look at this figure. It is caps lock key. The caps lock key is used for typing alphabets in capital letters. Okay, अगर हमको capital letters में type करना है, so we can use caps lock key and then we will press the other alphabet keys. If I want to write Matliwala Public School in capital letters, so what I will do? I will first press this caps lock key. Okay, see this caps lock key. So I will press it once. Can you see this blinking line? Okay, that means our caps lock key is on, and whatever we will type will be typed in capital letters. Okay, see now I am typing the keys and it is typed in capital letters. Okay, so in this way we can type in capital letters using the caps lock key. And if we finish the typing, then we can press this key and it will turn off. Now whatever we will write will be written in the small letters. Now next is the backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase a character to the left side of the cursor. So हम बैकस्पेस की का यूज़ क्यों करेंगे? अगर हमको कोई कैरेक्टर इरेज करना है देन वी कैन यूज़ द बैकस्पेस की. जब आप नोटबुक में लिखते हैं तो आप इरेजर का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो इन कंप्यूटर वी विल यूज़ द बैकस्पेस की टू इरेज द कैरेक्टर. बट येस, if you will press the backspace key then the character will be erased left side. Okay, जो left side में character होगा, cursor के left side में जो character होगा वो character सिर्फ erase होगा. See, the blinking line is my cursor. So if I will press the backspace key once, then it will erase the character to its left side. That means it will erase this full stop. Let's see. See, it is erasing the characters towards left side. In this way we can erase one character while we are pressing backspace key. Now next is the shift key. The shift key is used to type the special symbols and punctuation marks present on the upper part of the keys. It is also used to type alphabets in capital letters when the caps lock key is turned off. Students, so there are two uses of shift key. One is to type the symbols and punctuation marks, and the other use of the shift key is to type in capital letters. Okay, so let's see it practically. Look here students, in some keys there are two characters printed. Okay, can you see these symbols on the upper side of these number keys? Okay, see here also there are two symbols on a single key. So how we will type this? So for this we will make use of shift key. Okay, so for suppose if I am typing these keys, if I am pressing these 1, 2, 3 keys, then here only the 1, 2, 3 numbers will be typed. Let me show you. See, if I am pressing these number keys, then here only numbers will be typed. But if I want to type these symbols, so what I will do? I will hold down the shift key and then I will press that key. So see here. Okay, so in this way you can type the symbols. And the other use of the shift key is to type in the capital letters. So look here, if I will press this alphabet keys, then the letters will be typed in small. See, okay, but I want to type this in capital letters. So what I will do, I will press and hold down the shift key and then I will type the characters. Okay, so in this way there are two uses of the shift key, and yes, the shift keys are also two in number. See here, there are two shift keys on the keyboard. One is in the right side and one is in the left side. Okay, so you can type fast with both your hands. You can type the shift keys that is near to you. Now next special key is enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Okay, if we want to type in a next line, then we will use enter key. And also it is used to send commands and instructions into the computer's memory. If I want to write Matliwala Public School in 3 different lines, so how we will write? First, we will write Matliwala and then we will press the enter key. Okay, so see here, the cursor has came down to the new line and then it will start typing from here. Okay, and now again I will press the enter key and again it will come down to the new line. Okay, so in this way you can make use of the enter key. Now next is symbol keys. The symbol keys have special characters on them. They are typed with the help of shift key and they are located on the upper part of the number keys. Can you see here, students? These all are the symbol keys. The symbols are present on the upper side of these number keys and also they are present here individually. Okay, so you can make use of the shift key to type these different symbols. Okay. Our last special key is tab key. The tab key allows the cursor to jump 5 spaces forward. So what will the tab key do? The tab key will jump the cursor 5 spaces forward. जब हम बैकस्पेस की का यूज़ करते थे तो हमारा जो कर्सर था वो जस्ट 1 स्पेस फॉरवर्ड मूव होता था, बट टैब की क्या करेगा, वो कर्सर को 5 स्पेसेस फॉरवर्ड मूव कर देगा. Let's see the difference between the space bar key and the tab key. So first we will type here Matliwala, then we will give a white space by using space bar key. Okay. Again we will give a space. Now we will type the same sentence by using tab key. Okay, now we will give the space by using tab key. So let's see what happened. Look here, it is tab key. Okay, so if I will press this tab key, so see here. Okay, so it has entered the 5 white spaces between these words. जब हम स्पेस बार की से एंटर करते हैं सो वहाँ पर सिर्फ 1 वाइट स्पेस होती है, एंड व्हेन वी प्रेस द टैब की देन देर आर 5 वाइट स्पेसेस. Now we will see the next keys in our next video. So till then, take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.